Today I got an amazing app that allows you to get live wallpaper completely working on your iPhone, especially for the people using iOS 17. All I have to do is just enable this button and you can see the wallpaper is animated. Now every time I tap on the screen, you can see we have a little animation on the screen. With this one, it offers a ton of wallpaper and it is actually animated. And you can see there are many of them that you can get for free. So all you have to do, you need to download the application from the App Store. It is completely free. Just go into the App Store and then you're gonna search for live wallpaper AI background and you're gonna come across this one. Just go ahead and download it. With this one, the first time you open it, you're gonna see the pop-up that you need to pay, but you don't need to have premium account to get the wallpaper. Some of them are free. Now let me get this one for an example. So all I have to do is just click on the save button and then it will save into my camera roll. Now let's go back into photo here and then you can see this one, it is actually animated. So all I have to do is just click on the share button and then you need to set it as a wallpaper and you're gonna see the light animation. Just enable it. You can see it gives you a nice animation. Do it one more time. Now let me set it as a wallpaper real quick. Okay, click on done. So that's wallpaper. Now when I lock my phone and every time I tap on the screen, you can see it is actually animated. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.